Hey guys, for today's workout you're going to need a set of gliders or plastic plates, 2 little towels, or just socks. I'm going to be using a 30-10 interval. I'm doing 10 moves and I'm going to do 1 round with you, but I'm going to recommend that you do 2 or 3 rounds, okay? So this is a great little circuit that you can do as a standalone or in addition to any workout. I think you're going to find it very challenging. These are, as I said, my 10 favorite moves to do with the gliders. So I'm going to start my timer. I'm going to come into a plank position. My toes are on the gliders and my hands are right under my shoulders. And I'm going to start with just opening and closing those legs right here, staying in a strong plank. I'm looking down in between my hands. Spine is neutral and long. Really squeezing it in, trying to squeeze those glutes as well. And I'm really starting to feel this now. All right, coming into a little child's pose to recover, and the next move is going to be based off of that. You're going to be doing open and close with a pull in the middle. So driving it up. Strong plank, don't let your back sag. And a little recovery here, and then we're going to reverse that move. Whew. So in, and then open and close. Almost there. Okay. We're going to recover and we're going to give the core a little bit of a break now. So we're going to come back into plank. But what we're going to do is step up and lunge back. Alternating sides. So working more the legs now. Still a little bit of core, obviously, every time you come into plank. Just not as intense. Okay, now we're going to stand up and we're going to do a little bit of a burpee here. So we're going to be squatting down, sliding out with a push-up. So here we go. Right into the push-up and up. Push-up is always optional. If it's too much, you can also drop to your knees. Beautiful. I'm going to turn over now and we're going to lie back a little bit. Bring those legs in, point the toes up, and we're just going to reach back and up. All right, we're gonna add on to this one. We're gonna circle it around and bring it up. As we circle it around, we're gonna take those legs out. So this one is tough. Out and in. Out and in. It's a little bit of a Pilates inspired move here. And then we're gonna reverse that. So this one's really tough. It kind of accumulates, so we gotta go the other direction. So around and in, around and in. Ooh. If you need to take a little rest, go for it. Almost there. Alright, we're going to turn back over. Going to put the gliders under the feet again. And we're going to do some crossovers. So cross over, bring it back. Strong plank, guys. So sweaty. It's so hot here right now. Super heat wave. Okay, and now we're gonna work on the triceps a little bit. We've done this one before. Gonna be reaching out. So down and up. Up. Strong, strong. And that is it. So, whoo. Just fix my top there. This is a Lululemon top. It's not a bathing suit. And I'm trying it out today. It's a little risque. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please like and share. Remember, you're gonna aim for 2 to 3 rounds if you can, but if you're just starting out, this might be just good for you. It was great for me. I've already worked out. So if you're doing it as an add-on at the end of a workout, maybe 1 round is good. As usual, let me know what you thought about the workout. Send me your feedback. Let me know what you want to see. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be much appreciated at shortcircuits_fitness or on Facebook at shortcircuits. From time to time, I will post bonus workouts there, but if you are following me on my channel and you want to see what's coming up in the future, that's a good place to go. New workouts are always posted on Mondays, and I also do a vlog every Wednesday, so that's just a little informational vlog on some random topic or the other. And thanks so much again for choosing Short Circuits. I know there are lots of channels out there that you can be following, so if you're following me, thank you so much. And until next time, take care of you, be healthy, be happy, and get sweaty.